All right, question 4. A market researcher selected 200 people at random from a group of people who indicated that they like a certain book. The 200 people were shown a movie based on the book and then asked whether they liked or disliked the movie. Of those surveyed, 75% said they disliked the movie, or 95% said they disliked the movie. And which of the following inferences can approximately be drawn from the survey result? Okay, so a question like this, we're trying to interpret the result of the survey, right? For these ones, we always want to pick the best answer. Okay, so some of these answers maybe we could argue for it, and we can say it could be true. Okay, but for this type of question, we want to pick the answer that's most likely correct. Okay, so we want the answer choice um, to be though we want to look for the most acceptable answer based on the information that we have. Okay, so pretty much, so here, notice how we did the experiment here. Okay, so we asked 200 people, and those people, they all indicate that they like the book. Okay, so they like the book. And then we showed the movie based on the book, and then 95% of people say they don't like the movie. Okay, so what can we conclude based on this? Okay, so we go through the answer choices. A says at least 95% of people who go see movies will dislike this movie. So see, this is not true, right? Because, well, this could be a true statement, but then it's not the best answer here because what? Because we asked the people who like the book, right? So it's not that the people who go see movies. Okay, so this is not the population that we're talking about, right? Okay, so not like everybody goes see movie will dislike the movie because we didn't ask anybody who goes see movies, right? That's not what the survey is based on. So that's not gonna work. Okay. B says at least 95% of people who read books will dislike the movie. Again, not just reading book, right? It's not reading any book, it's just in reading that one book in particular, right? Then 95% of those people don't like the movie, right? So you see, this here is too broad, right? So that doesn't reflect what we're trying to do here. Okay, so not gonna work. C says most people who dislike the book will like this movie. Well, again, we don't know, right? We didn't ask anybody who disliked the book. Okay, so C, again, it could be true, but that's not the best answer. Okay, so D should be our answer. Is most people who like this book will dislike this movie. Okay, so that agree with what we seeing here, right? So we asked people 200 people who like the book, and most of them, the vast majority of them, dislike the movie. Okay, so then we can say D is a valid conclusion based on the results. Okay, so for number 4, the best answer here should be D.